Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2014 Subaru Outback. The customer originally had come in and wanted a general inspection to make sure the vehicle was still in good shape. Wanted to know if there was anything that needed to be repaired in the future or anything that was maybe a little bit more urgent. Got the vehicle in, did our digital inspection, found that it had a right front CV axle boot that was torn, and basically all of the grease had been thrown out of it. So we recommended to her that she get that replaced. And looking at the rear brakes, you can see that the rotors are really rusty, really not providing the stopping power that they should or could. If we put some new pads and rotors on, and advise them that if that was a little bit more of a safety issue, that we would highly recommend getting a new set of pads and rotors on the back there to make sure that they could stop in the event of an emergency. They went ahead and elected to have both repairs done to make sure the vehicle was safe and roadworthy. One of the many things we do offer here at 3D Auto Repair is a full digital inspection with pictures so that you can see what we see and be able to make the correct determination for your repairs based on the information we can give you. So if you need an inspection or you just want to have your car looked over and make sure it's ready to go for the fall, please feel free to give us a call. We do offer a free inspection. My name is Dan. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.